Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mitch and for this video, I will be sharing my banana upside down cake. For the ingredients, we need 3 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda, teaspoon of salt, 6 pieces mashed ripe bananas, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 pieces whole eggs, and 2/3 cup melted butter, or you can use vegetable oil. Then we also need 2/3 cup of granulated white sugar and 1 to 2 pieces banana na na-slice ng ganito. Let's start. Mix in first your flour, salt, baking soda, and your baking powder. Mix first. Then add in your brown sugar. Make a well at the center. You add your melted butter. I'm using Arla melted butter, or you can also use Bravo buttercream. Then 2 pieces whole eggs. Then the mashed bananas. At this stage, pag medyo matigas na yung mixture or yung batter, change to your rubber scraper. Tapos, set aside muna natin to. Let's do first yung sa ilalim ng cake. So, let's caramelize the sugar in an 8-inch round baking pan. Once na-caramelize na si sugar, lagay na natin yung sliced bananas. Careful ha! Once na-arrange mo na yung sliced bananas, lagay na natin on top yung mixture. Then, let's bake this one at around 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Our banana upside down cake is done already. Lagay na natin sa plate. There you go, our banana upside down cake. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking and eating!